How to deactivate Messenger. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. It's actually very easy to do, and this is with the new settings as well, with the new Facebook settings, because they have changed things up. So what you want to keep in mind though is the fact that you cannot only deactivate Messenger. Now, if you want to deactivate Messenger, you also have to deactivate your Facebook account. So you can either only deactivate Facebook and not deactivate Messenger, or you have to deactivate both. You cannot only deactivate Messenger. So keep that in mind. So how can you actually do this though? You want to go to your profile at the top left corner and scroll all the way down till you see the Accounts Center. Right over here, you want to click on See More in Account Center. And this will open up the Meta Account Center right over here. You want to go ahead and click on Personal Details. And right here, you can see Account Ownership and Control. That is where you want to click on. Once you've clicked on there, you can see Deactivation or Deletion. So you want to click on there as well, and then select your Facebook account. Once you've done that, you want to click the top one, which says Deactivate Account, and hit Continue. Here you can also see that this will deactivate your pages as well. So click on Continue. Here you have to fill in your password. Then hit Continue again. Now here you have to select a reason why you want to deactivate your account. So I can, for example, do this is temporary, I'll be back. So then hit Continue. And then here it says it will still give you a couple of options. So for example, do you want to log out instead, or save post and archive, reactivating your account, blah, blah, blah. But this is actually very important. It says automatically reactivate my account in 7 days. Now, if you want to change that to don't reactivate automatically, you want to make sure that you have selected that, because then you'll be able to log into your Facebook account whenever you would like, and then it will reactivate. So simply hit Continue. And then here, you can see, for example, before you deactivate, so continue using Messenger. So that is if you only wanted to deactivate your Facebook account. But yeah, that is basically it. You don't want to select that because you wanted to deactivate Messenger. Then simply click on Deactivate My Account, and that is how you can actually do it. So I hope this step-by-step tutorial helped you out. Let me know in the comments if this worked, and then I will see you next time.